Hey friends, in this video we're going to talk about a really important Supreme Court decision that came out on June 13th, and it was an 8-1 decision written by Justice Sotomayor, which held that the government may hold immigrants indefinitely without a right to a bond hearing. Those of you who are new to me, welcome to my channel. I'm Latoya McBean Pompey, an immigration lawyer in New York, working with clients all over the world on complex immigration matters. Reach out to us at McBeanlaw.com to get started, or call us at 516-866-3900. Before you go today, do me the favor of subscribing to this channel and hitting that notification bell so that you'll be in the loop on my videos each week. Lastly, friends, for more immigration tips and news, subscribe to my weekly newsletters so that you'll really stay in the loop with everything. Let's talk about the Supreme Court case. This is the Johnson v. Ortega-Martinez case, and it says again, guys, that detained individuals, whether they had committed a crime or not, but detained individuals do not have an automatic right to a bond hearing. And if a person wants to ask for a bond hearing, they need to do so individually, not as a class. It cannot be a class, a group of individuals who have this right to a bond hearing. Thousands of people are detained. According to Syracuse University, I was looking at the numbers earlier today, 24,591 individuals are in detention as of June 5th. Now, at the heart of this case was the argument that immigrants who are held in detention for 6 months or longer, they're entitled to a bond hearing, and at that hearing the government must prove the necessity to keep these individuals detained. In 2020, the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals held that these immigrants actually deserve to have a bond hearing, and the Biden administration, friends, argued that no, not the case. The government should hold on to these individuals until the litigation process has been finalized. So the Biden administration, guys, is argued very strongly against the idea of immigrants having this entitlement to a bond hearing. In this decision, the Supreme Court reversed the Ninth Circuit's opinion. Now, you might be saying, well, if they're being detained by ICE, obviously they're criminals, right? Criminal aliens. Those are the ones who ICE or the Biden administration is targeting. Well, when you look at the data, though, guys, the data says something completely differently. According to Syracuse University, 72.8% of ICE detainees have no criminal record. And furthermore, the data shows that only 21% of detainees have access to legal representation. So a significant number are at a huge disadvantage without having legal representation while they're going through the removal process. Legal representation that could very well get them a bond hearing and get them released from prison while their removal case is ongoing. Because of the backlog in immigration court, as you guys know, you hear me talk about backlogs all the time with immigration. Cases can be pending in immigration court for several years. Well, if an individual appeals the decision, the appeal can be pending for quite a while, years. And while the appeal is pending, these individuals are in prison. For some people, they say, no, thank you. I'm not going to sit and wait in prison until the appeal process has completed. I'm just going to sign the paperwork and send me back home, deport me, because I'm not going to spend another day in this facility. This is the reality, guys, that thousands of detainees are faced with right now. The fact that they do not have this automatic right or entitlement to a bond hearing, and the government may hold on to them until the litigation process has completed or until the judge, a judge says, okay, I'm going to grant you the bond. But in order to get a bond, guys, you've got to recognize that you have to have the right arguments to present before the immigration judge to get that bond approved. This is the latest, friends. I hope you found it helpful. Comment below. Let me know your thoughts about this Supreme Court decision, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.